A very good morning, class. In the last video, we discussed about the types of industries, a comparison between three types of industries, that is cottage, small scale and large scale industry. Today we are here to talk about the examples or the main type of large scale industries. Where are they situated and what are they famous for? Come to page number 124. Come to page number 124. We'll begin with large scale industry once again. Just a quick recap and then we'll see. The large scale industries have large areas where factories are located. The area requirement for large scale industry is large. The big area is required. First factor. Second factor is the investment amount is very big. For large scale industry, the amount of investment required is very big. Third factor, number of laborers are supposed to be more than 100 in large scale industry. And the fourth point is the raw materials which are used for the production purpose are both locally available raw material and the raw material which are purchased from outside the country or from which are imported from other parts of the world. So large scale industries have large areas where factories are located. It has big machines, hundreds of workers and a large amount of money is invested in such industries. Big machines are installed wherein the production of goods and services takes place. These factories have different units which function to manufacture different parts of the product and then they are assembled to make a whole product. Some important large scale industries of our country are. So here we are going to see the examples of large scale industry. What are the basic examples of large scale industry? The first is iron and steel. Iron and steel industry is the most important as almost all machinery needed in other industries is made of iron and steel. Any machine or any type of equipment, tools that you see around, what it is made up of? It is made up of either steel or iron. Now, India is the largest producer of steel in the iron in the world, and in the steel we are the second largest. China ranks number one. The basic hub of steel production in our country is Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal, Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh, and Salem in Tamil Nadu. So these are the four places that you have to keep in mind which are famous for the iron and steel production in our country. They can be asked, name four states wherein the iron and steel production takes place. The answer is Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal, Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Next is sugar industry. Sugar industry. Sugar industry is one of the largest industries of our country. There are many factories in our country which produces enough sugar for consumption. Now, sugar is produced from sugarcane and UP, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugar in the world, in our country. Okay, so most of the factories, most of the industries of sugar are set up in UP only. There are many factories in our country which produce enough sugar for consumption within the country as well as for exporting. Now there are two major needs. First, whatever production is done for self-consumption, the other is for the exporting purpose. So both the needs are fulfilled by sugar industry. Uttar Pradesh is famous for having large number of sugar industries. UP is the state which is famous for sugar production in our India. Third is textile industry. Textile industry. Textile industry is one of the oldest and the largest industries in our country. It is one of the oldest and the largest industry in our country. What it is concerned with? It is concerned with the production of threads, production of fiber, production of synthetics, and the basic industries are set up in Gujarat and Maharashtra. These are two states which actually rule or which actually have abundance of textile floors, textile mills located in particular parts. Gujarat basically Ahmedabad and in Maharashtra Mumbai is the place where textile mills are set up. And the fourth one is electronic industry. Electronic industry manufacture TV set, transistor, typewriters, computers, etc. Okay, Bangalore is known to be an electronic hub or wherein the electronic parts or gadgets are made. Locomotives are made at Chittaranjan and Varanasi. Locomotives are type of engine which is used for the carriage purpose by the railways. It is based in Chittaranjan and Varanasi. Varanasi is in UP. Railway coaches are manufactured at Kapurthala and Perumbur. Railway coaches are manufactured at Kapurthala and Perumbur, and aeroplanes in Kanpur. Aeroplane parts are made in Kanpur. Kanpur and Bangalore. Aeroplane parts are made in Kanpur and Bangalore. Shipbuilding, as Visakhapatnam is an important industrial unit, and shipbuilding means whatever is required for the ship production, that hub is basically made in Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is famous for the shipbuilding. So these are the important places that you have to keep in mind. You have to remember. The question can be asked: name the place where the aeroplanes are made or where the parts of the aeroplanes are made. Name the place where the ship buildings are produced or ship things are made. You have to answer Visakhapatnam. Name the place where textile mills are set up. Where is the oldest and textile country? These type of different questions can be asked. So you have to keep the places in mind. First thing. Second thing, today's homework as far as it's concerned, there is a box on page number 125 wherein check your knowledge is written. 3 questions are there which is from the places of industries only. So you have to answer them and send me back on my concerned mobile number. Thank you, class.